Today, I'll demonstrate the matching and functions of the phone key using a 2019 Nissan Teana. First, after the phone key is turned on, open the phone key app. Click Connect Device. Enter the password for connecting the device. After a successful connection, open the KEYDIY app and click on the matching function. Select the corresponding vehicle model. Click Start Execution and then follow the instructions. Click Start Execution and then follow the prompts. The vehicle starts normally. Function display. Put the phone key into the armrest box. Stand 1 meter away from the car while holding the phone. Open the phone key app. Click Calibration on the homepage and follow the prompts to complete the operation. Put the phone in your pocket. Walk away to lock the car. Approach to unlock.